Hi everyone, welcome back to Nifty Trendline Trader channel. So today's date is July 16th, and before we get into the details of my today's trade, let me quickly give you an overview of the pre-market analysis I have done for today before the market has opened. So from the chart, I can see that based on the yesterday's chart, I could see that 24,194 is the level from where the price had started to reverse. So I felt that that could act as a strong resistance for today as well. So that is one of the resistance point I had. And then we have the CPR, and we have the previous day's high and low marked as well on my chart. And so GIF Nifty was indicating a small gap up of 20 plus points today. So I was waiting for the proper setup to take place. Based on that, I was planning to decide the trade. Now, so I have patiently waited for the first candle. So if you look at the chart, the first candle took support from the CPR, and then it's made a small doji kind of candle with a small body, and so that didn't give me any indication. Then I had to wait for further more candles. And coming to the trend line, so this is a trend line I had for today. Yeah, so I was planning to take a trade once the price starts to move above the trend line, and that's where I could see happening at the fourth candle, where price started to make a bullish move. Because if you look at the third candle, so it again took a good support from CPR and tried to move up. So that gave me some confidence that okay, there is still some movement which is going to happen for the price. So as expected, the price had moved up to the nearest resistance point, which is 24,194. So the fourth green candle is where I took my trade, and I was able to exit my trade within 10 minutes. We will go to the order book and view all the details. And coming to the stop loss, my stop loss has been the level of 24,107, which is the low of third candle. So if a candle closes below 24,107, that's when I had planned to exit my trade. Yeah. So this is about the market structure for today, and let's go to the order book. Yeah, so as mentioned, so my first trade is a 24050 put sell, which is around 1049. So that's when the fourth candle was started. I had waited for 2 to 3 minutes, then I realized that okay, it is now going to make a bullish move. I have sold a 24050 put sell with an hedge position of 23,200, and I had bought for 87 rupees, and then I had placed a limit order of 79. So I had planned to capture 8 premium points for today, and my limit order got executed around 11 o'clock today, which is just 10 minutes from the time I have taken my trade. And coming to our PNL for today, it is around 536 rupees. So I had just taken this single trade, and I have closed my trade for today. So this is about my trade for today. So coming to the key lessons, yeah, as expected, so I was patiently waiting for the candle to give a good conviction to place my trade, and the fourth candle is where I have placed my trade. And so overall it didn't had any directional move for today, because from last couple of days the market has been consolidating in a range from 24,050 to 24,200, and the same thing happened for today. So in the coming days, as long as price continues in this range, we'll see a consolidation. But once the price has a good closing above 24,200, then we could expect a good directional move. Yeah. So this is all about today's trade. Hope you all like my video. If you have any comments, please do comment in the comments section, and please do like, share and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you all. See you all tomorrow in a new trading session. Bye.